Hi, my name is Selena Malhotra, and today I'll be discussing why consumers use online reviews. Online shopping is extremely convenient in this day and age. We can easily order, pay for, and ship the product from the convenience of never leaving our own home, and we receive the product in a matter of days. Online review also informs the decision-making process of when consumers decide to purchase products. Online reviews enables us to easily compare products. It's very convenient. And again, we have all the reviews on the one website. Doing my research, I found what different types of reviews actually go on to influence consumers' decision-making process. I found that the persuasiveness and length in reviews mattered, the integrity in the reviews mattered, and familiarity with the retailer mattered. I then formed the following hypotheses, which were more reviews enables more trust in the product, a worse experience means that people are more likely to leave a review, and for more expensive purchases, people are more thoroughly likely to read the reviews. I then went on to administer a Google survey, which I sent out through text messages to about 22 participants. The age ranges of these participants varied from 16 years old to 75 years old. I then found the following results. The 4 types of products people thoroughly read reviews for were clothing, items over $100, electronic gadgets, and other. We can see items over $100 and electronic gadgets are in the higher scale of price range, and therefore confirms the third hypothesis that we had, which was for more expensive purchases, people are more likely to read through reviews. What was also interesting is that people don't always trust new retailers, so they're more likely to purchase from a retailer that they do trust with worse reviews, product reviews, than from a retailer that they do not know and with better product reviews of the same product and the same price. Lastly, just to understand the types of people who are answering my survey, I just wanted to understand the range of online products which were bought in the last 6 months. Majority of the women I interviewed bought around 16 to 30 products, whereas men bought around 31 to 45 products. In conclusion, we can confirm that the more reviews there are, the more trust in the products there are, and the more likely people have a worse experience, the higher likely they are to leave a review. Thank you.